This is the most insane washing machine you will ever see. Dude, why did it do that? I'm scared to see what's inside of it. Okay. No, ouch! Dude, it hurt me. Okay. Dude, what the? Who puts a suitcase in a washing machine? Well, at least we know it's not like possessed and gonna eat someone. It says ow. Ow. Got it. Suitcase. That's a lot of bubbles. I think someone added too much soap. Why is this so entertaining?